guys, welcome back. Today I have something I've never seen before. Totally tiny blind bags, and I got these at Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 in Canada, I believe, so they would be $1.25 in the US as well. I'm hoping that they will work with my new scientist Barbie and my new fashionista Ken. I'm really hoping that they will be Barbie size. Now, I did get I'm just going to move Ken, 4 of them. And I didn't realize that it looks like there's only 3. So it looks like you can get a teapot and cup, a hot dog and corn, and a pretzel. And I'm assuming these are gummy bears because we have afternoon tea, drive-thru, and movie snacks. So I'm hoping that out of the 4 that I got, we got 1 of each. And I'm really hoping I get the gummy bears. Do you remember when I did the American Girl doll video and it was the Care Bear set and it had the gummy bears in it? And I wanted to recreate them. Like, I actually bought a silicone mat and I have been attempting to make gummy bears for my dolls. But if I can get them in this and they are the right size, well, that would just be perfect. And I'm hoping, here's Ken again, I'm going to leave him off to the side, that these food items and the teapot will fit with Barbie because she doesn't have a lot of glasses and I would like to move ahead with more crafting with like items in her cup, maybe do a frozen moment where the tea is pouring out of the cup. And I just don't have enough Barbie cups, to start using resin and crafting in the cups. So if we can get like multiple teapots, maybe that's an idea. And wouldn't it be cool to update our Barbie food with some of these things? And at $1.25, these are so much of a better value right now before we've opened them than say mini brands, right? I mean, it depends on if they look bad. Then, but if they look good, and so there's 2 things in each one because I can feel it. This one feels flatter. So I'm thinking this one is the pretzel because I can feel holes in it. Watch me be totally off. This one's big and bulky again. So I'm thinking that these 2 are teapots. Did I get 3 teapots? Because this one feels bulky too. So right now I'm thinking I got 3 teapots and 1 other. I don't know. Let's just flip them and let's see if I'm right. So I think this one is a teapot. Shall we just open it and see? Oh, I just shook the camera. I'm sorry. Let's go. Yes, I think I got a lot of teapots because let's get it open. Maybe that one's not a teapot. That one feels like a teapot. Either way, look at the teapot. There's the cup. Oh, okay. I got scissors. I brought scissors. Everything is so plasticky. Are my scissors not going to cut? Oh. Okay, my scissors are not cutting. Oh, no. Come on, cut. There. All right. Okay, I got it out. Look at the teapot. Oh, does the lid come off? Oh, my gosh. Okay, guys, total playability. The lid. Oh, my gosh. And it is perfect. Look at that. Look, it is. Okay, that is so Barbie sized. Thank you, Science Barbie. This is detailed. This is really detailed. If I put a liquid in that, it would pour out. Let's see the cup. Oh, I'm super happy now. I may have to get more of these so we can just do the cups. And I suppose I could just use 1 cup and make a resin mold out of it to have more cups. But what fun would that be? Okay, let's get this out. Look at the cup. Look at it. Looks like a little bathroom cup. Now, picture a frozen moment where we have the teacup. I'm just going to put my hands in the way. Sorry. And the tea, and it's attached, and the tea is coming out. So let's do it like this. No, I can't. Okay. Nope, I can't. There. With the teapot pouring. Oh my gosh. Guys, I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love it. That is totally worth $1.25. It's totally worth it. Okay. This one I also think is the cup. We're just going to move right on. Oh, wait, maybe not because this has got 1 bulky and 1 down here. Maybe 1 bulky, 1 down here. Oh, maybe I don't have a whole bunch of teapots. That one didn't. Okay. I'm really starting to believe too that it's only these 3. This is series 2. I haven't seen these before, but I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a while. Let me know. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, I was wrong, but I was right, but I was wrong. So I did get a second tea set. Okay. That, I don't normally like duplicates, but having the 2 tea sets, oh, I am so excited. Barbie girl with the home stuff we got from those mini brands a few videos back. And now you have a teapot. This is good. Now, what are these 2? These 2 feel different. This one feels one thing here and one thing here. It's like they're separate and not attached. Like these 2 are attached in the plastic. And this one feels bumpy with something way over here. So what would be bumpy? The corn? I don't know. I don't know. Let's open it. And they, again, totally tiny. They are from Just Play Studio. I should have done this at the beginning. Just Play, made in China. Series 2, collect them all. I have not seen these. If you have seen these, let me know. Okay, we are not going to get, I thought this would be easier, 3. Because we got a 3rd teapot. I guess we're not going to get the corn. Oh. Okay, well, let's look at the positive. I got a set of 3 cups that Barbie could use in her kitchen. I could have tea in one. We could use the other cups for something else. That one felt, because the way I was feeling it in the package, the teapot was here. Because they are attached. The first one I was feeling like this. Okay, you know what? Not sad. All that means is that we are going to have to go back and get some more. This is our last one. This one feels different. So now I really have to hope that it's this one. I can't believe I got 3 of the teapot. I really thought with 4 I'd get one of each at least. Okay. Barbie though is happy because the blue flowers. She's got the blue hair. I mean, what better Barbie to do this with? I mean, I suppose we could have used Nikki with the teapot because of the blue skirt, but apparently my Barbies like blue, not just pink. And poor Ken over here is sitting there in his pink shirt and he's got nothing to go with him. I guess we should just open the last one and maybe we can get the, you know what? Wait. You know how on some things there's codes? Do these have the same codes? 56523. That is the same code. 2324 MTO1. That one has the same code. These all say 2324 MTO1. So the codes don't seem to make a difference here. These all say 56523. 56523. I mean, I guess this code, if this is a teapot, will tell me. All right. Sorry, enough of my rambling. There is something flat here and something flat here, and it does not feel like a teapot. So, totally tiny. I'm actually enjoying these. I hope they come out with more of these because the teapot and the playability. Okay, so the codes mean nothing. Do you see it? Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh my gosh. I love it. These are going to be way too tiny. So these will not be a replacement for this, but these could be Barbies. Let's get the scissors. I need to get these open. I am so excited. It's one big clump, right? Do you see the little details of the gummy bears? Oh my gosh. Barbie, you have gummy bears. Oh, we could make a little box for those. Oh my goodness. Or a package. And the final, this one's good. Now the details are not so good on this one. This one looks like it's literally a piece of plastic that was painted. Oh, I almost lost it. Here you go. Look at the pretzel. Now it does have like little salt dots on it, which is cute, but there's no dimension. It's all one color. And the gummy bears. So I'm torn. the teapot. Oh, just through the teapot is what I wanted with the cup because I want Barbie cups. But this looks like a bathroom cup, not so much like a teacup. There's no handle. And I got the pretzel and the gummy bears. So which is your favorite? The teacup or the food? Or because these came from the Dollar Tree, is it both? Like, I'm not mad that I got 3 sets of teapots. I'm not. I'm going to go back and try to find the corn on the cob. But now we know what to feel for, I guess, a bit. Maybe we get some more. Let's put the cotton candy. Okay, yeah, look, in his hand. These are, here, Ken, we're going to borrow you. Can you hold the pretzel? Can he hold the pretzel? Is it mushable? Not really. There we go. Okay, look at the pretzel. It fits. These are perfect Barbie size. So if you're looking for gift baskets, honestly, even just for fun Barbie, for photo shoots, you know what, birthday parties, attach, like, you know, grab a couple of these, attach them to the gift bag. These would be absolutely perfect. Maybe not for your adult Barbie collector, but if you were to gift these to kids, these are, honestly, I would get these before I would pick up, like, you know, anything else more expensive Barbie-wise. Again, totally tiny, Dollar Tree, $1.25, teapots, cups, gummy bears, pretzels. Like, my Barbie's got it made. She can go watch a movie and drink some tea. All right, that's it for me this week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.